Hi Laura, thanks for reaching out about our 2016 C-Class Certified Pre-Owned. I'm Bob Holzacker here at Prime Motor Cars Mercedes-Benz in Scarborough, Maine. What a beautiful example of a C-Class. It's just so well done. Beautiful wheels, 4MATIC. I love the combination of the white with the tan interior. The car really shows nicely. I don't see any scratches or dings. You have a great trunk in these cars, probably far more than you thought you'd have. Have our mats in here to keep the car looking good. All right. Keyless go. Here is the interior. I don't smell any smoke or pets. I can usually detect that. I don't see that at all on this car. I've sent you the Carfax. The Auto I packet will have that in it, as well as the original MSRP, which has a complete list of options. Let's walk around here in the front. Now, certified pre-owned means that when this warranty is up sometime in 2020 or at 50,000 miles, we've added an additional 1-year unlimited mileage warranty. And that's by Mercedes-Benz. That's what you get with a certified pre-owned car. Our techs go through it, check 180 different items. Anything that has to be replaced or serviced has to be done with original equipment, Mercedes parts. Continental tires all the way around, things like that. So let's take it for a little drive through our lot. All right, Laura, we're in the car now. Look at this wonderful panoramic sunroof. It's just beautiful. You have your screen controlled here by the controller. This car does have a satellite radio, and you have the nav system, which is terrific. $42,540 on this car, which is really nothing for a Mercedes. It's not scratched. This is the real wood veneer. It's not scratched or anything, which is terrific. Let's zip around here. Beautiful day in Scarborough. Wanted to show you our service drive. We do have free loaner cars and a great service department. So you would pull right in here and pull out the other door with your courtesy car. Well, thanks, Laura. I'll call you after I send this over to you, and we'll talk about coming here to the dealership to test drive it and see the car. Okay, thank you very much. Bye-bye.